Hi everyone, welcome back to TMM Reviews channel. Today in this video, we are doing full review of Imimic. So in this video, I am going to talk about what Imimic is and how it works. I am going to show you a demo and walkthrough of Imimic and talk about the upgrades and the special exclusive bonuses that you will get along with Imimic. Imimic is the fastest way to create AI-powered virtual influencers that build audiences and generate income without you ever stepping in front of a camera. It lets you design hyper-realistic digital twins that look, speak, act, and post like real influencers but work 24/7 on autopilot. No filming, no editing, no expensive production, just AI doing the heavy lifting. You can even turn your own photo or any image into a virtual influencer and then create scroll-stopping content that grows your reach, influence, and profits. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into the demo of Imimic.
Alright, so today I'm going to show you Imimic, the all-new breakthrough software that will let you create virtual influencers and digital twins. Yes, you can create a virtual influencer that is absolutely custom made by you, and you can put them in any situation you want, create photographs, create videos, endorse products, absolutely use them for any commercial purpose. And you know, virtual influencer is a growing industry worth billions right now. And the second thing that you can do with it, create a digital twin of yourself. Well, that is much in demand. All the CXOs, business owners, they want digital twins so that they can be on Instagram, on Facebook, and all the other networks with content every day without having to create it manually. So let's take a look. Right now, I've got two influencers in here. Samantha, that is a virtual influencer, which means to say this person is not really existing out of the software. And the second thing is my own digital twin. So I'm going to show you how to create them, how to use them, and how to do absolutely mind-blowing stuff. Let's get started. So with Imimic, you can create virtual influencers for social media, and you can convert a few of your original images, like I put in some over here, into endless amount of content for social media. You can do things like create a new photograph, create photographs with multiple characters, create photographs with a product in hand or around, convert photographs to videos, create spokesperson videos where you have text scripts and your character, which could be me, will read out that content. Then you can also change the audio from a video. Yes, you can put in a video of you speaking or your virtual character speaking and just change the audio, and the lip sync will automatically match. You can modify a video. You can bring in a video, change clothes, change the scenario, do anything you want. You can also create spokesperson videos with an audio file. So put in an image and an audio file, and you will have a live spokesperson video. You can create conversation videos of two characters talking. You can do motion control, so you can do viral TikTok dances if you want to, and you can convert text to audio. So build up a voice for yourself, and you can convert text to audio, then use it in your videos. And you can also create posts for Facebook, Instagram, X, or LinkedIn. Excited to find out how? Let's get started and create a new photograph with Creative Photo Workflow. Alright, so I've described the kind of photo I want, just me in a coffee shop, and then I will just select from one of my existing photographs. I'll go for this one. I like this photo. Click on done, and then you can select the size of the photograph that you want. For this one, I will go for a landscape size photograph, and then I just click on generate and wait a few seconds. Check this out. This is exactly what I wanted. Me sitting in a coffee shop with a laptop in front of me, looking at the camera. And look at the detail. This is exactly what I am looking like, right? It's not looking like an AI generated photo at all, but you can go one step above this. You can change anything about the photo that you want. For example, let's say I want to change the way I'm dressed. He is wearing a blue shirt with collars. For example, a blue formal shirt, I think that's what it's called. And you just click on generate again and wait a few seconds. Check this out now. Now I'm wearing a formal shirt inside my jacket. Now imagine using this for your LinkedIn or Instagram. If you got clients or you yourself are a CXO or a business owner, you can create unlimited content for your LinkedIn this way, right? Let's go back. I've created a set of different images using this, and I can post to my Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook all day without having to worry about posing, without having to worry about camera work, and without investing time. But that's not all, because there is so much more. Let's look at the next one. You can have a photograph where you are posing multiple characters together. So remember, I created a virtual character called Samantha. Well, I can pose her with me. So I'm going to select a photo of me and Samantha, and I'm going to pose us together. So let's do that right now. Here I am. I'm just gonna put us in a seminar. So I wanna be writing something while the woman is working on her laptop. So again, just click on generate AI photos and choose the size that you want. I think for this one too, I want the landscape ratio. Click on generate and wait a few seconds. Check this out. This is exactly what we wanted. And you can see how well the faces have been retained. This is me and the lady is looking just like herself. So you can create images, not just with your individual characters, but you can create a universe of characters and you can have them interact with each other. Virtual or real. Think about the possibilities. You can interact with celebrities. You can interact your virtual character with famous people, or you can put yourself in any situation you want. And that opens so many business possibilities. You can see all the images that I created earlier over here down below. And let's go back and check out more features. Next, I told you that you can have photographs of you or your character posing with products. Now let's take a look at that. So this time I actually want to show off a phone. You can see I've written a description that's kind of promoting the phone, and I can type about the product. I can tell the AI about the product. So it's just a Samsung phone. And then you can select the image that you want to use. This time, let me use this one. It's a different image, different person. And I'm going to upload a product image from my computer. It's just a regular phone. And just click on generate photograph. Check this out. This is the image generated by Imimic. Well, that is absolutely on spot. The shirt, the pants, and it's got my face down right perfectly. It's exactly the image you would want to use if you are promoting a product and you are the CEO. Well, let's go back and see even more features, because what is next? You can convert any photo to a video. Let's take a look at that. You got a number of different AIs that you can use, like Kling, Van, Veo, Sedan, so many more, and the new ones will come in just like I told you earlier. Now in this video, I want to have some product endorsement, and I'm going to select an image that I already have. You can see these are the images that I have. What about this image? I kind of like this image for a product promotion. You can of course load more if you want to. There are so many more images that I have that I created earlier, but I will go with this one. Click on done, and now you can select the ratio you want. This time I want 9:16, and then just click on generate video. Check this out. Let's play the video. You can use these clips in a longer video or even post them as is on social media. So that is image to video. And again, don't forget about the multiple AIs. Every AI can give you unique and different results. Now let's create spokesperson video where we actually speak some text. So this time I'm going to do something else. Click on select image and let's figure out which image we want to use. How about this one this time? Click on done. And we are using Veo 3.1 this time. You can also use Grok or Sora. Let's use Grok in fact. And it's a square image, so you want the square output, and a 5-second video will do. Click on generate video and then just let Imimic do its job.
Now this is the phone you should have. Now this is the phone you should have.
Check this out. So this is what's been created by Grok, and of course you can use the other AIs too, and as new technology comes in, you will see it first inside of Imimic. Let's continue the journey, and this time we will create a speaking video from an audio file. So let's put in a prompt, a little bit of information over here. I put in some direction, then you want to select an image from over here. Let's find an image that we can use. Okay, I will use this one this time, the landscape one. Click on done. We've got the image over here. Now we want to use some audio. So we're going to upload an audio file. Now, if you have generated audio inside of Imimic, you can select that too, but I have not generated anything. So we're going to generate an audio file. We have this audio. Let's play it. I really love this phone. This is my favorite phone and everybody should only use this phone. All right, so I'm going to upload this audio file from my computer. In downloads, I've got it here, the MP3 file, it's uploaded, and I just click on generate video and wait a few seconds. Check this out. I really love this phone. This is my favorite phone and everybody should only use this phone. That is what I have to say. So I really love this phone. So I created a video with my own custom audio playing and the lip sync matches perfectly. And you know what? You can create clips of up to 60 seconds, a minute long in length with this. Imagine the possibilities. Similarly, you can also change audio from video. Yes, you can replace an audio file and have perfect lip sync. You can also modify the videos using AI and change things like the dress of the person or the appearance of the person or change the background in absolutely seamless manner. We already saw audio file turning into a video, replacing a video. Next, you can even create a conversation between your characters. Let's try to check that out. So I made this image earlier where we have the two people sitting around on a table, and I just converted it to a video and I want to show you the results. Check this out.
This is a great conference.
Yeah, glad we came here.
So imagine that you can have two people talking in a video from an image, and look at this wall of content that I have created that I can use all over the internet, right? So if I'm a CTO, which of course I am actually, I can just power my social media without having to do all this work, right? I would love that. Anybody would love that. Next, we have a lot more. We have motion control, so you can actually have your characters doing things and you can make those viral videos. You know, do you remember that dance video which went viral on TikTok some time ago? Well, you could do that for yourself. So we're going to use Kling for this one, and we're going to use image as a source. Processing mode can be standard. I will keep the original sound and I will let this be. So I'm going to select the character image. I think I will go for this one. And from AI video, I'm going to upload a new video. I actually had a video that I found earlier, viral dance, this one. Let's take a little bit of a look at the original first. You get the message, right? Now let's take a look at what we got using. Wow, I couldn't have done this on my own, but with iMimic, absolutely you can. Next, you can convert text to audio. So yes, you can build a voice inside of iMimic for your character, and then you can convert text to audio, and you can take that audio and convert it into a video. So that's an entire workflow out there. But that's not all. You can even create Facebook posts, Instagram posts, X posts and LinkedIn posts. I'm talking about the text content for your virtual influencer. And let me just give you a bit of a background. When you create your influencer for the first time, you will give it a name like John Smith and click on submit. And then you can put in more details like the age of the influencer, the profession, and the personality details. You can describe what kind of clothing they wear. You can put in a voice for them, select a voice from a ready-made system, or even design your own voice using Quen, right? So you can create a custom voice for your character. Then you can upload images. And what happens is, based on all that information that you put in, iMimic is going to create a profile for your characters, and then when you create posts, they will match the profile. And iMimic even keeps an account of all the content that you created earlier, just like a very smart agent, and keeps creating new content that is in sync. So let's try to create a Facebook post for this character. And by the way, you have the option to enhance existing content, and you can even summarize some content if you want to. You can get new topics as suggestion and even find fresh topics from news, right? So it's got a lot of potential. So again, let's create a new post on an entrepreneurship topic. So you give it some instructions. You've got models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok, all the top end models. Then click on generate, and in a few seconds, you will get the post. You got the post right over here. You can copy it, pair it off with the image that you created earlier using iMimic, and you have a very nice post that people will like to see, people will like to read. And all you needed to put in was like 2 minutes of your time. If you're running an agency, this can be a real time saver. And of course, you can do the same, whether it's an X post or a LinkedIn post, and all the content that you create will be available with the timeline in a nice little wall. So you can go back and check all the content that you created earlier. And you can see a little bit of a trends about how many posts or what kind of content you created over the time. So this is iMimic. It's a very, very amazing product if you want to create an influencer or a digital twin influencer like Samantha, which is a virtual influencer, can be promoting anything. You can choose any gender, any age, and of course, make a digital twin of yourself or your clients if you want to. If you get iMimic, I'll see you inside. This is Cyril Gupta signing off.
So we have prepared this full review bonus page of Imimic that you will find in the description of this video as well as in the comments below this video. You will find all the details related to the Imimic software, features, demo video, all the upgrades links, the special one-time bundle link, and all the special exclusive bonuses details on this review bonus page. So make sure to check out this review bonus page with all the details and links are given on this page. Now let me walk you through all the special exclusive bonus packages that you are going to get with Imimic. First are the vendor's bonus packages, which includes bonuses like the QR code generator, YouTube video tags finder, image collector, quick tube checker, reseller's license to Tube Reaper Jeet, reseller's license to VidWords Jeet, reseller's license to SEO Harvester Jeet, reseller's license to Keywords Goldmine Jeet, and lots of other vendors' bonuses. Next is our special premium bonus package. You are getting access to the latest viral StreetSpeak AI app, which got multiple Deal of the Day and Deal of the Week awards. StreetSpeak AI is the first AI app that turns any keyword into high-converting, addictive street interview videos. Simply enter a keyword or niche, and the AI creates everything, from realistic characters and engaging Q&A scripts to photorealistic scenes, natural voiceovers, professional captions, and viral-ready social media hooks. Now let me show you a demo of this bonus.
Hey there, welcome to this demonstration video for StreetSpeak AI. It is the first ever AI that turns any keyword into viral, addictive, street-style interview videos, so I am going to show you precisely how to create these videos in just a few minutes. So first we will proceed to My Projects area. Here you can observe all of your projects that you have produced. I am going to create a brand new project, and I am going to name it as Fitness. So I'm going to create a video on fitness niche. So there are 3 scenarios. In the first scenario, we will be interviewing one person in one location. Here you can have multiple guests. So one interviewer will be interviewing multiple guests at the same location. And here in the dynamic location, one interviewer will be interviewing multiple people and at different locations. Let us simply choose this option here so the presentation becomes more dynamic and the audience can follow more easily. Rachel clearly seems very fit, so we will interview 2 people about this. Next, we will choose our character, Jane. Then we will pick the other character as well. She looks perfect, Lisa. And again, you can even go ahead and create your own characters by adding a character here. Okay, so we've selected the 2 characters. What kind of format should we use? 2, one with a solo interviewer where only the very person being interviewed is shown, or face-to-face, or reporter-style interviews, or full body shots as well. So let's use full body shots. Since they're very fit people, I am going to be using vertical videos today for this language, English. We can also choose horizontal for longer YouTube videos. This is intended for short-form videos. They go very viral, and there are 12 languages you can use, I think. 2. That is how many characters we have chosen. We need to create 2 high-quality videos. Each should be 8 seconds long. Now, let us click Next. Okay, you're given an interview-style setup. The topic we're focusing on is fitness. You can pick from ready-made niche options here. So let's select fitness and health options. I don't need to type anything at all, okay? I have not yet touched the keyboard at all, except for simply typing the name. A small piece of advice can generate a set of questions and their respective answers. What is the best fitness tip? Here is the answer that comes. And if you want to change them, you can simply click on Generate to produce new options right away. Here there are 10 different, clearly distinct types of interview styles worldwide. Choose, yes, you can select an unpopular opinion and an exposed call-out red flag. These are the viral kinds of interview styles and templates that go viral on social media. And if you want to promote something, you can enable this feature. Add your product name, add your product details, a call to action, and that will be integrated right into your script. Let's take a look. Fitness X. Now, if you go to the questions and answers pairing section and click there, it will simply generate your questions and automatically integrate them right here in this space we're in. So let's try using this feature and see what happens. If you don't want it, you can even add your own custom questions and pairs. Now, let's choose the location scene we're working with. For the first question, what kind of scene are we in? Let's define it clearly: commercial, cinematic, worldwide in scope, custom. You can even describe a scene in which all of these background scenes appear: urban city life, Indian-specific commercial lifestyle, and global. I'm keeping it simple. I need a lot of moving crowds, cloud-heavy crowd. We can also describe actions such as standing, walking together, or sitting, getting out of the car. Or you may simply choose some action. And for the second scene, let's attempt something different for this take. Times Square style. Okay, so I've selected this, click on next, and this will generate our scenes. It's going to take a little bit of time though. Okay, the ones you're seeing are generated. If you think there's an issue, you can just click on the image here to regenerate it right now. Now, I am going to animate this scene so that I can generate all of the videos. After that, this will be processed to convert these into final videos. Okay then. You can clearly see that the characters have different appearances. These characters remain consistent in their behavior, and the location itself has changed. There will be a lot of traffic here with a moving crowd. Once this is finished, I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I am going to reiterate the image, this one here. This particular button here regenerates my image. And now let's see exactly how it appears when it comes up. Fine, so my new image is generated. I'm going to convert this into a video. Thus, in the first item, there was indeed an issue. All right, both of my videos are now ready and prepared. I am going to proceed to the next step where I can add captions, and I can relocate these videos if I decide to use this. I can use this here as well. I can just add more clips from my personal library if I want to. Okay, then choose the captions. We have several different kinds of captions available here. You can freely edit these captions, making any changes you like. Let's adjust the size as needed. You can also change the font to whatever you prefer. You are able to change the color. For instance, you may even disable the captions as well if you need. And once that is ready, I am simply going to click on the next step. Okay, I missed something. I need to click on Stitch Video so that it will merge both of these videos into a single video, and then you can simply download it right away. Okay, now my video is stitched together. Let's move on to the next option, and now I can download the final version of my video right away. Okay then, I will add a preview of this video right after the demonstration. Okay, this looks absolutely fantastic. Now we can quickly download this video. We can generate the hooks for your social media that you can use as the video title when you post it. You can regenerate it as many times as you wish. You may also use this description. You may readily utilize these YouTube tags and hashtags. For your social media accounts, you can even share it directly. And now I would like to demonstrate the characters to you. As you can see, we have several pre-made characters, and you can even craft your own avatars simply by describing your character, naming it, and choosing its features. And these are some suggestions, and these are some details, but if you describe it, you can offer an exceedingly lengthy, highly detailed description of what your character is about, what he is wearing, how they behave. You can even have their outfits featuring your brand name in there. And you can even add your own personal characters. This is the character of the RAM that I generated by cloning, and these are all the characters that are built using custom avatars. And here you can discover my projects here, you can discover your old videos, you can favorite them to use them later. So that is all. So get your copy and I will surely see you inside.
How do I stay motivated?
Set clear goals and track progress. Programs like Fitness X can keep you focused. Check it out.
What's the key to fat loss?
Consistency is crucial. Follow a structured plan like Fitness X for lasting results.
Next, you are getting access to AI Review Shorts app. AI Review Shorts is the world's first ever AI app that turns any product link into a high-converting product demo and review video in minutes. Rank on YouTube, go viral on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, and pull thousands of visitors and sales daily without any editing, tech skills, showing your face, or burnout. Now let me show you a demo of this bonus.
Hey guys, let's get started with the quick mode. So here you can directly pick your product and add the Amazon link or your website link you directly pick the Amazon link, the product that you want to promote or for which you want to create the video, add it inside the product URL, select the aspect ratio, duration of the video, and then hit the next button. And it will take you to this page where the product details, product description will be generated. And based on that, the voiceover will get generated. Everything will happen automatically. So you can see voiceover generated in this particular framework. And if you don't like it, you can regenerate it. It's a very, very structured format. Then you go to the next page where you can select the avatar, voice, and the captions. Here you can go through the avatars. We have 1200 plus avatars, and you can select like whichever avatar you want. So we're gonna pick a very relevant avatar, maybe like someone who's in the outside, because it's about drone, right? So we selected this avatar, then we select the voiceovers. We can pick from different voiceovers, and then we can enable or disable the captions. So as of now, we'll keep it enabled because it's quick mode. And you just hit the generate video button, and it is going to generate the video for you in next 2 to 3 minutes. So the AI is taking care of, based on all your inputs, it is taking care of the video generation. It is considering what is being given on the sales page or the page that you have provided, and the video will get generated within few minutes. And like whatever control, whatever options you have selected, like avatar and the voiceover, video will be generated based on that. And see, your video is ready. You can see the video is ready with the hook generator. Here is social media title, video description, hashtags, YouTube tags. Everything is based on the product link that you have added. That was DJI Mini RC drone. And you can download the video or you can watch the video from here.
Imagine soaring high above breathtaking landscapes, capturing stunning 4K videos and photos effortlessly. But maybe you've faced frustration with heavy, complicated drones that don't deliver. Enter the DJI Mini RC drone, your lightweight, intelligent flying companion that's perfect for everyone. With easy navigation and smart flight modes, it turns your creative vision into reality. Experience clarity like never before and explore the skies with confidence. Ready to elevate your adventures? Grab your DJI Mini RC drone today and start capturing unforgettable moments.
Okay, now let me show you how exactly custom mode works. So first of all, name the project and then add the Amazon link, product link here in the product URL. And you can decide the duration and the aspect ratio of the video, and then you hit the next. Now it will analyze the content from your URL and it will generate the product description, and then it will generate the voice script. So it is basically reading the page, and see our product description is ready. If you want, you can make changes to it and you can manually add the product description, and then you can go ahead with the voiceover. It's structured in 6 different things like hook, problem, product reaction, key benefits, verdict, CTA. And if you don't like it, you can regenerate the same voiceover script. And then you hit the next button and it'll take you to the avatar video generation part. So here we will only generate the avatar. So we'll select the avatar from the pre-made avatars that we have loaded here. All these avatars are very realistic. They don't look like AI generated. They are very realistic human beings. You can select any of those. Maybe I'll select this lady, or maybe this one. Okay, we are talking about detox. I think she is having some kind of drinks. And then we can select the voiceover for this lady, or maybe like, I'm not sure if this is related to alcohol. Let me change the avatar. So let's find a suitable person. Basically, we have 1200 plus avatars from which you can select. Okay, this person looks better. And let's move ahead. Okay, yeah, she's doing yoga, I guess. So let's scroll more and we can find something much better. Maybe someone who is drinking like a tea or holding a cup of tea or something like that. Okay, she's having something else. Let's scroll more. Okay, this person is, I think, at home and having some kind of beverage.
Hello, and welcome. This is my voice.
And then we select the voiceover for this person, and then we hit the generate video button, and it is going to generate the avatar video. So here we are only generating the avatar. So once our avatar video is ready, then we are going to customize the rest of the things in the next page. Okay, so once avatar video is ready, it will get loaded here in step 4. And here we can select captions. We can decide, we can customize all the captions. We have so many preset options, and you can go ahead with your own designs. Then we can decide the images and avatar position. So these are the 3 important things that we can customize here. So we can go ahead with the change of font, change of style, stroke, color, outline, and animation effects. So we can adjust all these things for captions. And once like you go ahead with like your choice of color, fonts, and everything, okay, this one looks good. And if you want, you can like make further changes. So this is just an idea. And once all these things are selected, then we can go ahead with the images and avatar, select avatar positions. Here we have defined we have divided complete video in 5 scenes. So for each scene you can decide the avatar position. Like position 1, here we have avatar in the full screen, and there will be an image of the product. Then in position 2 we have half and half. Then in position 3 we have avatar on top, or maybe let's make it like full avatar screen. So you can like check out like which position suits best, and the empty white space will be taken over by the image. So the image will come in the empty white space. Okay, so this is just an idea like how exactly your video will look in different frames. See, frame 2, scene 2, scene 3, and then we can upload images for each scene. So if you have any particular images, product images that you want to upload, then you can select like basically fully customize based on your choice of images. Then you can upload images for each scene, and overall this is how it will look after uploading all the scenes. So see, something like that, scene 1, scene 2, and then we have scene 3 where we chose full avatar, and scene 4, 3, 4, and yeah. So you understood, right? So you can decide the avatar position, you can decide the images, you can decide the caption designs, and once everything is finalized, you can give it a quick preview run. So you'll have a good idea like how exactly your video will look. Okay, so once this is finalized, then you can, once you are okay with everything, make sure you are saving it, and then you can hit the generate final video. So it will give you the final rendered video based on the avatar positions, custom images, and the caption designs that you have selected. So once this is done, we have to wait for a couple of minutes. It will render the video, and then we can see the final video on the 5th page. That is step 5, hook generator. Here we can check out the exact video and all the content inside hook generator. We can generate the social media title, video description, and hashtags that we can use, YouTube tags that we can use. And yeah, so complete ready to post video is ready, and you can download it.
Are you feeling sluggish and bloated? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with the aftermath of a heavy meal or a hectic lifestyle. But what if there was a gentle solution? Meet Total Tea, Slimming Detox Tea, your new best friend in wellness. This caffeine-free herbal blend, enriched with soothing chamomile, helps reduce bloating and supports digestion, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. Enjoy a delicious cup and embrace a natural way to cleanse your body. Try Total Tea today and feel the difference.
Next, you are getting full access to VEO Profit Academy. Animal Chaos plus VO3 is your shortcut to consistent traffic. Steal our exact playbook plus chaos. Trigger prompt engine to ride the AI Animal Chaos wave. Without filming, editing, or writing a single prompt. Just copy, post, grow, and monetize fast. Next is our premium exclusive bonuses package. You can check out the demo videos of these premium bonuses here. You are getting full access to AI Multi-Universe, the world's first AI platform that gives you multi-version access to every major AI model, present and future. Enjoy instant lifetime access to the best AI models and all their versions GPT 3.5 to GPT-5, Gemini 1.5 to 2.0 Flash, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, Dolly, Kling, Veo, and more. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to all-in-one AI Design Creator app, a revolutionary AI design suite that brings together the world's most powerful creative tools, from real-time text to image, AI avatars, deepfake and face swap, to interior generators, 3D AI QR codes, VR AR ready models, object removal, room makeovers, and so much more, all in one stunning dashboard. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to Viral Quiz AI app. Viral Quiz AI is the world's first and only AI viral video quiz builder app for marketers. With this revolutionary platform, you can create hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, viral quiz videos in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to Algobuster AI app. Algobuster AI is the first-of-its-kind software that creates hundreds of attention-grabbing posts, videos, and stories in any niche for any platform and schedule them for months with AI in just a few minutes, outsmart social algorithms, and drive unlimited traffic from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and more. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to AI Multi-Minds app. AI Multi-Minds is the first ever multi-model AI with 100 plus advanced, diverse, hidden AI models, all inside a single dashboard. Create unlimited AI undetectable, unique, powerful, and authentic marketing content, videos, graphics, and strategies that stands out, captivate, and sell more than ever. Next are the special exclusive bonus packages. These are all high-quality softwares and apps that you won't find anywhere else. So you are getting access to one of the best lead generator and list builder app that helps you to build high-quality, engaging email lists. It's a complete lead generator plus email marketing suite where you can generate unlimited leads from various platforms, as well as you can create campaigns for them. Next, you are getting access to AI Universe, which is the first ever multi-model AI with 75 plus advanced, diverse, hidden AI models, all inside a single dashboard. Access world's most powerful AI models, ChatGPT's latest models, Claude, Gemini, Flux, Leonardo, SDXL, Stable Diffusion, and more. This saves you thousands of dollars every month. Similarly, you are getting access to AI-powered Copywriter App Suite, which itself is a bundle of various AI apps like AI Advanced Editor, AI Writer, AI Image Generator, AI Article Wizard, AI PDF, Vision AI, AI Rewriter, AI Agents, AI YouTube to blog post app, AI code generator, AI speech to text, AI voiceovers, and many more. Then you are getting access to AI viral quiz builder app. With this revolutionary platform, you can create hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, viral quiz videos in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Similarly, you are getting lots of agency bonuses that helps in different agency businesses. Next, you are getting AI video creator app, AI graphic creator app, AI website creator app, app builder platform, webinar creator app, AI video interactor app, video ranker app, various traffic apps, multi-platform autoresponders, content creator apps, and lots and lots more apps. You are also getting a mega bundle of DFY ebooks, articles, graphic bundle, HD video bundle, royalty-free music bundle, social media graphics bundle, and a lot more. Similarly, you are getting lots of other bonuses. You can check out all these bonuses and details on my review bonus page that you will find in the description as well as in the comments. You will get all these bonuses when you purchase the software through our link.